sharing means like when you put some in church, or if you buy lunch for your dad, or something like that, that's sharing.
Among is not expensive lunch.
Well, we're just talking about what sharing is. You spend some of your money on someone else. And then after you've saved some and you've shared some, then the rest of it is what you can spend. But you don't want to say, okay, I'm gonna spend $5 or I'm gonna save $5 and share $5 and spend the rest, because your savings won't add up very fast that way.
Savings are slow.
Well, I would suggest, like, I don't know, how much you get on a paycheck usually, do you know?
Nope.
Do you have a way to look at that?
Nope.